So, pag nagalit yung misis mo dyan, pag may nagalit dyan na babae, pakainin mo lang yan saging. Bababa yung kanyang galit. Huhupa yan. Hello guys and welcome back sa tahanang AS Favorite Vlogs. And today of course, na-miss natin yung ating kinagigiliwan. Ang dati nating ginagawa which is making smoothies. And dahil nga napakainit na ngayon ng panahon and there are a lot of friends of ours na kailangan nating tulungan. And of course, if you could remember guys, dati kasi is umabot yung ating blood pressure ng 170 if you can still recall that one. And then, isa talaga sa mga solution doon na ginawa ng isang AS Variety Vlogs was to go into no carbs diet and then pumunta tayo doon sa making smoothies, eating fruits and vegetables only. So from 170 yung ating blood pressure that time is naibalik natin to siya into normal which is 120. And then malaking pasalamat natin on those days. And then lately kasi is when I am monitoring my blood pressure is umangat siya ng 130. So medyo alarming a little kasi nga medyo umangat siya. So there is a need na kailangan natin i-control yung ating carbohydrates intake. So maliban sa it will be a benefit for myself, tutulungan din natin yung ating mga kaibigan na kasi common in the Philippines, di ba, among Filipino friends na tumataas yung blood pressure. Well, in fact, many of my family members already ay reasons na nagkaroon ng tragedy is because of the blood pressure. Kasi alamin natin guys, at huwag natin kalimutan na yung high blood pressure na yan is masyadong traitor po yan na sakit. So, huwag talaga natin kalimutan. Just have the focus kung paano natin i-control yung ating blood pressure. So, the AS Variety Vlog decided to make this smoothie series. Maybe gagawa tayo ng 3 series of smoothies that could help kung paano maibaba yung blood pressure ng isang tao na nagkakaroon ng problema doon sa kanyang BP. Kasi ang jump off agad natin, dive into cut tayo ng rice, dive into cut tayo ng coffee, which is true naman. Pero ang iba kasi is nandoon sila sa pumupunta sa biscuits alone which is less nutritious rather than going into fruit choices o kaya naman vegetable choices. But of course, we have to be very careful of choosing those fruits kung ano yung ating kakainin ng mga prutas. Kailangan is beneficial siya doon sa kung anong gusto nating output na meron. So, today for our series 1, for this blood pressure beneficial smoothie natin is gagamit tayo ng 2 ingredients lang guys, which is banana, which is very common in the Philippines, diba? And then of course the apple. So banana, why we have to use banana guys? It is because this banana is alam natin yan na even the athletes, diba? Palaging pinapakain ng athletes ng saging. So kung alam niyo ang rason, then enhance na lang natin yan, i-improve na lang natin. But basic reason there is, ang ating banana kasi is rich in potassium. So, nakakababa ang potassium ng effect ng sodium. Because alam natin yung lahat, kaya pinagbabawalan tayo ng mga maaalat, pinagbabawalan tayo ng too much sodium once na nag-spike na yung ating blood pressure. Because ang sodium is one of the reasons, talaga main reason kung bakit nagkakaroon ng high blood pressure. So, di ba ikaw na-detect na you have the high blood pressure, pinagbabawalan ka na sa mga maaalat, pinagbabawalan ka na sa mga fatty foods. So, yung sodium is nare-reduce siya by eating more and more rich potassium fruits and vegetables. And banana is the best when we talk about potassium. So, kaya guys, tingnan nyo mga kakilala nyo mga babae dyan, no? Kapag ka hindi yan nakakain ng saging, isang linggo, isang buwan ay asahan nyo na high blood yan ang level. galit yan always. It's because hindi na nga nakakakain ng saging, which is very very important na if possible araw-araw kakain ka ng saging. So pag nagalit yung misis mo dyan, pag may nagalit dyan na babae, pakainin mo lang yung saging. Bababa yung kanyang galit. Huhupa yan. Joke guys. Pero totoo yan guys ha. Because as I said, yung saging kasi natin is rich in potassium. And then yung potassium is, siya yung magpapababa, magre-reduce doon sa effect of sodium. So yun siya guys. So huwag nating pahabayan pa. Kukuha na tayo ng isang saging kaagad kasi medyo aabot tayo ng siyam-siyam nito kapag dada tayo dito ng dada. Basta yun guys ha, kapag medyo mataas na yung inyong BP, huwag masyadong mag-panic, okay? And then rather, kapag nag-diet ka, karaniwan jump off into Skyflakes, jump off into some biscuits. Recommended ng isang AS Variety Vlogs is for you to jump off into fruit, and banana is one. Kaya ikwento ko lang sa inyo guys ha, ang aking auntie who is now 85 years old is araw-araw talaga yan kumakain siya ng saging. Kapag nagising niya, syempre before siya kakain ng kanin or anything, saba talaga ng saging yung kanyang kinakain, which is until now very very healthy. And shout out sa aking auntie sa Aiden, the mother of Nanay Melba. Yan ang naging basihan na kailangan ko talagang magsaging everyday because of my auntie sa Ay, and it is proven naman talaga. So after our banana, we also use one apple alone. And then, this apple is, alam natin yan guys ha, karaniwan sinasabi, an apple a day. Pero ganyan kalaki yung ating apple na gagamitin, ano. An apple a day, it's the doctor away. But it's true really guys, apple is very beneficial. Nakabalat na ako ng isa kasi guys, kasi kapag dito pa tayo magbabalat, just ko abutin tayo ng ilang oras. So, ang ating apple kasi is very rich in fiber. So, good yan sa ating blood. And then, i-cut ko na lang yung aking nabalatan na apple guys ha. Sandali lang ito at huwag kayong mag-alala dyan. And while nagka-cut ako ng apples dito, shout out muna ating mga kaibigan dyan. And shout out dyan sa Gima Mix Vlog, musta? And of course, Hosnis Noy dyan, Inday Pinay, Nossi, make a love shout out. And thank you for watching guys this video. And whoever is watching this one, just always take note that eating apple is really beneficial to our body. So, ganyan lang. And then, bakit smoothie? Kasi nakakasawa din naman talaga guys always na ang kinakain mo is balatan mo yung apple and then kakainin mo lang kaagad. Diba nakakasawa din? So, hanap-hanap ka din ng paraan kung paano mo mas mapaganda o mapasarap pa yung iyong kakainin. So, ayun na nga, tapos na natin yung balatan at bilisan na natin silang ipasok. At dahil nga dry yung ating ingredients, which is the apple and the banana, so gagamit ako guys ng liquid yogurt. So, para consistent tayo doon sa ating mga ingredients, the yogurt also that I'll be using guys is a banana yogurt. So, hindi ko lang ipakita yung brand, but it is a banana yogurt. And then, una natin yung ilagay doon sa ating blender para makakatulong na mapabilis yung kanyang trabaho. Kasi pag nauna yung sulit, mahihirapan yung ating blender. And then, banana into our blender. And then, of course, the apple. So, ganun lang mabilis. And then, lang. And then, you have your breakfast already, or maybe for your lunch, or maybe for your dinner. So, here we go. Ganyan lang guys, kabilis ano. So, walang kahirap-hirap. Just find ways kung paano mo mapapasarap yung iyong kinakain. And huwag tatamad-tamad. Be passionate doon sa pagdating sa pagkain guys. Kailangan talaga natin mag-isip kung ano na naman yung ating gagawin para medyo ganado naman tayo sa ating mga kakainin. And of course, idol natin dyan si Cathy Mix Vlog na talagang hilig magluluto, ang hilig sa kusina. And then shout out yan kay Gina Ramos, of course Elsa Channel Mix Vlog, baka magtampo na naman pag hindi natin ma-shout out. Ako si Dons, ito na, tapos na ang ating ginagawa. So look at the texture, is perfect. Not so soft and then not so sticky. So masarap siya, kaya tikman na natin. And ano kayang lasa nito guys? Let's have it. Unang tikim para kay kanino? Para kanino yung unang tikim natin? Para kay Rosette Aurelio. Wow! Napakasarap guys. The combination of the apple and the banana is perfect, which is talagang masaya ang ating katawan. And then, as I said, this banana and apple can help lower down your blood pressure. So thank you really so much guys for watching. And if you are not still subscribed with AES Embroidery Vlog, don't hesitate to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we have new uploads to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.